Vika.
Hi everybody, I'm Linda.
Today we're going to be reading a story called Don't Fall, Frangipani.
Written by Imelda Naomi and illustrated by Pamela Suryadjaya. Good morning, flowers. I love to fly and dance near the Frangipani tree.
Oh no! Some of the frangipani flowers are falling.
Whoosh, whoosh.
Wind, blow more gently, please. So many flowers have fallen off.
No more flowers?
Look! Just one little frangipani is left. I will help it not to fall too.
Maybe this leaf can protect it, but it is so heavy.
This sticky tree sap might help it stick longer.
But now I am sticky.
Butterfly, you can use my cobweb.
Thank you, Spider.
We work hard to keep the last frangipani flower on the tree. But no!
Even with all our help, the little frangipani falls off.
Little frangipani, where are you going now?
Now you are doing a dance. With her, you look even more beautiful.
What a beautiful story.
Bye.
Bye.